Alright, this might be a little strange, but I have a conure here that is drinking 100% raw kombucha, homemade. When she sticks her head in the glass, she smells it from a mile away, because of course kombucha has a pretty unique smell to it, being that it's a little bit of vinegar and it's fermented vinegary and it's fermented black tea. But this bird, Maui, goes nuts over the raw kombucha. I don't flavor mine, I just drink it straight after it's been fermented. Here's my jars. Here's one that's finished. Started on March 1st, and you can see the SCOBY disc that formed on top. And it's pretty much good to go because today is the, what's the date today? The 22nd or 23rd of March. So that's been good and fermented. It's got a nice flavor to it. Great flavor, great color. Here's one I just put together today. You can see it's slightly darker in color as they start out darker in color because the tea is still in there and hasn't fermented yet. And here she is drinking more. Maui, you got some more? More? Yeah. Oh, I guess she's done. But there she is, Maui, the kombucha drinking pineapple conure. Right, Maui? What do you think? Silly bird? Are you a silly bird? Give me a kiss. There she is. She's crazy. Look at she go upside down in my hand. Here, you want to go upside down? Want to go upside down? Here? No? Yeah.